The car interior decorative lamp strips atmosphere lamp effectively combines style and functionality. With easy installation, customizable lengths, a selection of colors, and robust performance, these ambient lights are an excellent addition for anyone looking to enhance their driving environment. Whether for everyday use or special occasions, they offer an enjoyable and visually appealing experience that caters to a wide audience. Durability is another significant advantage of these LED strips. They are designed to withstand the rigors of automotive environments, including temperature fluctuations and vibrations commonly experienced while driving. This quality ensures that the lights maintain their performance and appearance over time, making it a worthwhile investment for car enthusiasts or anyone looking to elevate their vehicle's ambiance. Moreover, these decorative lamps are energy efficient. The LED technology minimizes power consumption while providing a bright, vibrant glow, ensuring that they do not drain the vehicle's battery even with prolonged use. This is particularly appealing for drivers who appreciate practicality alongside aesthetic enhancements. The variety of colors available adds to the versatility of the product, allowing users to customize their interior atmosphere according to personal preferences or moods.